So, I don't know if anybody's familiar with it. It's a really strange job, and I'll never work at one like it again. So what I do is we've built a plant to destroy chemical weapons. So the U.S. had a giant stockpile of sarin nerve gas, VX nerve gas, and mustard gas, and probably a few others. But those were the three that we had in Richmond. So the whole thing was they can't transport this stuff on the road, so they had to build an entire plant on the actual footprint of the military base. So that's where I work, and my job was part of building that plant. And all the different chemical processes that are involved out there, diluting the nerve gas down and stuff, it's a lot of strong, acids and caustics and all these other types of chemicals get mixed with it. So the piping, a lot of the time, is made of some exotic alloys. I think I'd weld a little Inconel at a power plant, and I think I'd welded a little 347, but as far as exotics, I didn't have a whole lot of experience. So now that I've been out there, I've welded on all kinds of stuff, man. I've welded on Inconel, Incalloy, Hastelloy, Alloy 20, lots of chrome. I did some titanium out there.